Hello everyone. So today we'll be doing letter writing for class 7th. Now, what is a letter? So, it is a written message that we send to people who are far away from us and we want to convey our message to them in a clear manner. Now, what are the types of letter? The types of letter are actually the formal letter and the informal letter. Formal letters are usually written to business or professional purpose and it is written in the simple language. But in the informal letter, it is written to friends, family and relatives, and we can use friendly and casual language in that because it is written to person you know very well. So now today we will be discussing the format of informal letter. So now let's discuss the format of informal letter. That is, the first of all you have to write the sender's address. You need to write the sender's address first. After writing the sender's address, leave a line. This arrow means leave a line. Then write the date. Date is very important, so always remember that in English you need to write dates in this format only. Then again you need to leave the line and you have to write salutation. Now what salutation means? Salutation means dear father, dear mother or the name of the friend. So in salutation always use the word dear in informal letter. Then again you need to leave a line. After salutations, start away with the body of the letter. You don't need to write the subject. Always remember that in the informal letter you don't need to write the subject. We use subject only in the formal letter only. हम सिर्फ subject कहाँ use करते हैं? सिर्फ और सिर्फ formal letter में, not in our informal letter. So now we have the main body of the letter, which we have divided into 3 parts. That is, first is the introduction, second will be our content and third will be the concluding paragraph. So in the intro you can use sentences like how are you, I received your letter, or the purpose of writing the letter. It totally depends on what you are writing. So next we'll talk about the content, that what content is given to you. मतलब it totally depends on the question. Like you have to write according to the question and only 80 to 100 words you need to use. Then comes with the concluding paragraph. Last, in the concluding paragraph, in which it depends whom you are writing the letter to actually. So example, you are writing the letter to your friend. So you can conclude like give my regards to uncle and auntie or give my love to your mom and dad. So this way you can conclude your letter. And after the main body, leave a line and write your lovingly. You need to mention at the last after leaving a line. And lastly, you need to write your name. So now this is all the format of informal letter.